Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to cancel your subscription for Meetup application. So let's get started with the video. You need to click on the home icon that you will see at the lower left corner. Post that, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner. Click on that. Here when you will on this page, when you will be on the profile page, you will see a setting icon at the upper right side. Click on settings. And here under payments you will see an option of subscriptions. Click on the subscriptions and here you will get an option of cancel subscription over here. Click on this cancel subscription and it will ask you the reason what's making you cancel it. You can choose any one of that and then click on continue. It will again a pop-up will come. You can choose cancel subscription. And you can see subscription has been cancelled and it will be cancelled. So this is how basically you can cancel the Meetup subscription. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.